look the size of this root. This is something that I have wanted to do, camp under one of these huge roots. I think the day is finally here. Oh, I did get something in my eye. Play stupid game, win stupid prizes. The area here is maybe a little bit wet by sand, so I think it's pretty easy to get flat. So yeah, let's get into that. Okay, perfect. So what I did bring with me, I have an axe, I have a plastic plate, salt, pan, some extra clothes, air mattress for sleeping, and no sleeping bag, no tent, no hammock. So yeah, a little bit different video this time. And here is like so many mosquitoes, I must make a fireplace. And I have some water, I have tarp, I have rope, little grill bed, and I have a one blanket as well. Yeah, but first let's go find some chantarels. That's the first thing. Before we make any lunch, I'm just trying to find a chantarel because I want to make a chantarelli muhennos. What is it called in English? Wait, let me check. So yeah, it's called chantarelli stew with a chicken. And that's the plan for today. In this forest I can see a lot of deer and moose footprints, like everywhere. I have never seen this big ant nest. Look the size of it. It's like this height and maybe 2 meters wide. Someone or something has dig 3 holes top of the ant nest. Look at the size of it. It's a massive ant nest. Oh, raspberries. You know what is funniest? I came here to find a chanttarel and I had already found a strawberry, blueberry and these wild strawberries. Like, where is the chanttarel? Look at this place, what a beautiful scene. Sadly I already placed my backpack somewhere else. But this place, look how the sunlight hits here. Just so nice and fluffy. Only minus it's not flat. Yeah, I think definitely here would be a very good place for tent bed. What a nice place. Wake me up after 30 minutes, okay? Correct me if I'm wrong, but this looks like perfect place to find chantarel, but there is none. You know, I was walking like this and then I was looking like, whoa, here is like animal trail. And this I didn't expect. Look, it is a salt stone for animals like deers, moose that can come and lick it. It's pure salt. What a nice way to use a tree for it. Okay, I have been searching for chantarel over 1.5 hours, and now I finally found my first chantarel. What a catch. I think I found like under half liter of chantarel. Sadly in 2 hours. It's currently 5 p.m. and I have work tomorrow at 6 a.m. So we better get to cooking this chantarel. Okay, I took with me this Faltening, like a small tarp, waterproof. It's 2 meters to 4 meters wide, and I'm planning to use this for cover if it starts to rain. I need a big rock. I found something better. Yeah, this can do. It's not a 5-star hotel, but it will do. Okay, next thing what I want to do is make a campfire because there is so many mosquitoes. And by the way, don't mind if I use this because this is like worst axe you can find. I wanna find the clay from the bottom or the sand. Something that isn't burning material. Like here we can find the sand. I tried to find rocks for the campfire, but I didn't find any on the close by. So next thing what we're going to do is get some firewood, but I don't think we need much because it's going to stay around 10 to 13 Celsius of degrees, so yeah, it's pretty warm night. There is so many mosquitoes that I cannot take it anymore. Now that I have fire, I have next problem. How I'm going to place my pan over the fire and cook something. Next I'm going to add a bit of onion. Looks like dried up, like no water coming out anymore. So we are going to add a cream and a little bit of salt. Now I remember what I forgot as well. You know, I forgot butter and then I did forget a flour. Oh, nice. Ooh, fuck. Bit salty, not much. We don't need to add any salt on our chicken. That's good. But you know what is bad? I already marinated my chicken at home. So yeah, hope there is not too much salt. Finally the chantarel stew is starting to look ready. We are just going to get it down on the plate and start making our chicken. Oh, that's why we need the flour, because it's going to be a little bit wet without the flour. But anyways, it's a stew. But now it looks like more like a soup. Okay, just perfect amount of salt. By the way, why I am doing my chicken this way when I have this grill? Yeah, look, why man? This is so much better and faster. Sometimes I'm a little bit stupid, you know? You know, nice. It's nice when I say I'm a little bit stupid, but now I realize I did take cheese, like this cheese, and cream, because I wanted to do it on this pan. Hey, don't mind me. But yeah, why not? We can do it like this, and when it's cooked up we move it on the pan, and now we add the cream. And we want a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Like this. It starts getting late. It's like 8 p.m. on the evening. And yeah, I have work tomorrow at 6 a.m. So yeah, I'm just starting to blowing this air mat. I forgot the normal pump that I use at home, so I cannot use it now. Yeah, this going like manual. Okay, first bad thing that I noticed. This is all sand. As you can see, it drops over me. But anyways, perfect spot on my opinion. Little bit too many mosquitoes. Definitely going to buy that mosquito hat on some point, but it is not now. But yeah, basically it's 8:33 now. So if I go sleep now, I will get probably 7 hours of sleep. So yep, good night guys. See you at the morning. Good morning. I actually slept pretty well. It was pretty good night. But I could sleep little bit longer. Shit. It's 6:24. My work started 24 minutes ago. So I don't. Yes, I pack my shit. I pack my stuff and go. I have no time to film it, so sorry.